So for today's wash day, I'm using Terra Veda Organix. I started with the Curl Bath shampoo. This shampoo is made with avocado oil, grapefruit, and cucumber extracts. It is curl defining and hydrating shampoo. Then I followed up with the Curl Bath conditioner, which is also made with avocado oil, grapefruit, and lemongrass extracts. This is also a curl defining and hydrating conditioner. For my styler, I will only be using the Curl Slayer Curl Definer, which is an all-in-one styler, so no leave-in is needed with this product. So let's see how this goes. So I went ahead and put my hair into sections so that it'll make it easier for styling. So I'm going in and doing a little finger detangling before I add some water. And then I'm going to detangle again after applying the water. So you want to make sure your hair is completely drenched when doing a wash and go. So after I go in with the water, I'm doing a little more finger detangling, making sure that my hair is drenched, and then I'm going to go in with only the Curl Slayer Curl Definer, which is an all-in-one styler, so no leave-in conditioner is needed. So let's see how this goes. I start off by adding it to my roots, and then I'm just going to use the raking method to smooth the product through. And you guys, this stuff is bomb. As you can see from the look on my face, the slip is amazing, and it definitely had my curls popping. So I'm just going to continue this routine throughout my hair, so keep watching. So for the very crown of my head, I'm doing a little extra step. So I'm doing a little coiling towards the end of my hair, just because this section is like my most stubborn section, so it needs a little help to get those curls popping. So I'm just doing it with those very two top sections right in the crown area. And one of the most important steps in the wash and go is to shake it out, make those curls form. Give me a little slow-mo action here. I see that little hang time. Yes, my hair is growing. It is safe to say that I'm definitely loving these Terra Veda Organics products. The Curl Bath shampoo left my hair clean, but it didn't give it a strip feel. And then once I followed up with the Curl Bath conditioner, my curls just melted. And then this Curl Slayer Curl Definer, one and done gel, I'm shook.